Time now for our tech support, our weekly look at the world of phones, computers, games, and all things technology. No company was more synonymous with tech this year than Nvidia. Its stock is up around 170% so far over the past 52 weeks, and Yahoo Finance awarded its Blackwell chip the product of the year. So here to recap Nvidia's banner 2024 and give a preview of what to expect in 2025 is Yahoo Finance's own Dan Howley. So Dan, how did Nvidia take over the world again this year?
Yeah, I mean, it really is kind of the same story just repeated as 2023. They're the company that has all the hardware, all the software that everybody wants. And so, the way that Nvidia got big was they started investing early in AI when everybody thought that CEO Jensen Huang was, just a madman for doing that. They were trying to shop around ways to make the AI kind of capabilities work. And then generative AI came around and they started just kind of riding that wave. Along that, they had built their CUDA software so that they could unlock the graphics card capabilities to run other programs. And so that's gone hand in hand with the hardware. And now developers like to use the CUDA software, or they've already built their applications on the CUDA software. And so moving over to a different kind of platform would be too much. And so they're sticking with it. And they've managed to keep doing that and keep improving. Now, for 2024, I think the big deal has been the Blackwell chip. They announced that at their GTC conference earlier this year. That's been the thing that everybody has been piling money into NVIDIA over, just because they know that it's where all these hyperscalers, the Microsofts, the Googles, the Amazons, the Metas, the Teslas are all going to go ahead and purchase to ensure that they have the best capabilities for their AI models, whether that's training, which is the hard part, or inferencing, which is less intensive. They've just managed to hold on to this place. They own anywhere, I think the estimates are between 80% and 95% of market share. There's competitors out there, but they're just not breaking through. And so because of that, NVIDIA has managed to completely dominate 2024 again. Now, okay, what does that mean going forward, right? There's AMD, there's Intel.
Yep.
What does that mean for them? Well, not too much. AMD is getting into the space. They're there already. They have their MI300X, which, by the way, I just saw on eBay this morning. I was talking to Maddie about this, and I just found one on eBay. And the Intel side is about how they can try to get into this space on the GPU end. Now, they haven't been able to really do that yet. They're not gaining market share. In fact, AMD is taking market share from Intel on the CPU side of things. So the competition is absolutely there in that respect. The bigger problem, though, is their own customers. That's the Amazons, the Microsofts, the Googles. They're building chips now that can compete with what NVIDIA has to offer. The big thing is on inferencing. So training is where you tell a model, you make a model, right? You tell the model, this is what you're going to do.
Right.
The inferencing side is where you go and run that model so that it gives you, ChatGPT is telling you, who Juan Soto is and why the Mets are going to be amazing this year. Let's just see, okay? Just give me that.
Exactly.
Still, it's December. But that's where these other chips can benefit because they may not necessarily be as powerful as NVIDIA's, but they'll be able to do the inferencing potentially for less money.
I need you to drop me that eBay link. We're going to check it out after the show.
Yeah.
Dan, thanks so much.